You won't believe what happens when you mix Coca-Cola with toothpaste. It's super easy to make, and I promise you're going to love it. You've probably never thought of using Coca-Cola and toothpaste like this, but once you see what it can do, it'll become your new go-to trick for keeping your home spotless. To get started, grab a small bowl and add about a tablespoon of your favorite toothpaste brand. Next, pour in about 150 milliliters of Coca-Cola. Don't worry about the brand, any soda will work. Now, stir it up until you've got a smooth mixture like this. By the way, let me know where you're tuning in from. I'd love to give you a shout out in my next video. Today's shout out goes to Daria from United Kingdom. Now, take a spray bottle and carefully pour the mixture into it. We're going to put this to the test right away. Check out these floor tiles. They're super dirty, right? I'm going to spray our mixture directly on the tiles, focusing on the lines between them. Make sure to really soak the area. Then use a toothbrush and rub through the tile area until all dirt dissolves. What we've created is an all-in-one cleaning solution that leaves your tiles spotless. If you want to know another great use of toothpaste for the toilet, don't miss this next video. Just click here to watch.